So what's up guys? With this strategy and platform I'm about to reveal to you today, we're going to be using this to make money right here in a very cool and amazing way. You can make money with this platform just by getting to chat with clients, with your fans or followers right now using this particular platform right here called the Premium.chat. This is actually an amazing platform you could utilize right here. Like with this platform right now, you could go on to making a lot of money right now. If I do actually go on to conversing with people right now on this platform right now for about 25 minutes at a rate of $1 per minute, I'm just going to be earning about $15 right here just by utilizing this platform. So do stick on to the video right here because I'm going to show you how you could set up an account on this platform. I'm going to utilizing this to make money yourself even as a beginner right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and other ways to make money online. If you like such content, go through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could actually help you out right now. So make sure you do stick on, watch such videos and utilize that to make money online. You could also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically guys, once you head onto this platform called the Premium.chat, you can actually do see right here that you get paid to chat with clients, fans and followers, and you could add a profitable new revenue stream to your website or social media account right here. It is quite easy for you to go on to doing that. You can see right here that this platform is actually perfectly made for you. You can just simply get paid once you chat right here. You could get paid to do video calls right now, get paid to text chat, and you could also get paid to call individuals right now. It is quite easy for you to go on to setting this up right here. All you need to do, all you need for this to actually work right now is to just simply have an access to internet right here, and you can just simply use this right now. So basically what you want to do right here, once you do come onto the platform called the Premium.chat, you can actually do check out the link in the description of the video to gain access to this platform right now directly. And if you do click on sign up right here guys, it's actually going to bring you to a page such as this, which is actually the sign up page. You want to just simply go on to providing your basic details like your email address or password right now and go on to signing up for this platform. You could either sign up right here with Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or your email address, or that is a Google Mail right now. So if I do paste that in right here, or maybe I could just simply come right here, click on sign up. As you can see, this is the sign up page right here. You want to just simply select the type of account you want to create, either a seller account or a buyer account. And you can see right here that for the seller account, it actually indicates that you would like to get paid to chat with your followers, fans and clients right now. But for the buyer accounts guys, people actually go on to paying to chat with someone for that particular account right now. So select the seller account right there. If you do select the seller account, it's going to bring you to a page such as this right here, where you want to just simply provide a basic username right now. So I'm just going to provide a username such as maybe let me say OJ Marketing. If I just select OJ Marketing, for the first name right there, you want to just simply fill in that details right now, fill in your last name, put in your email address, and go on to fix in your password. Supposing I want to just simply use things that are actually related to this particular email address, I'm just going to come right here, fixing that email address right now. If I do fixing that right now, and once I've set everything up right here, you just need to click on sign up right now, and you go on to creating an account on this platform. I'm going to click on save right here. As you can see, this email address and username has already been taken, so I'm just going to go on to changing this right now to something like this right here, and I'm just going to go on to clicking on sign up. So once you do that guys, you will be required to go on to saving or that details right there and actually insert your phone number right now. So you want to just simply select the country code right there, which that particular country to which you reside in, and just simply going to insert in the phone number right now. So I'm just going to insert a very cool phone number right now, which I can actually go on to utilizing. Once you actually do fill in those details right here, you want to just simply select something like use WhatsApp right here, or you could use SMS, and you could actually go on to getting the login code right now. So once you do that guys, your account will be created And the first step which you want to go right now is to go through a page where you just simply have to set up your what you want on your profile page right now. And right here, guys, you just simply have to go into creating a widget right here, because it's compulsory you do that. You could create a widget for a chat, for a call, for a video chat right now. So what I'm going to do is to create a widget for calling right now. If I do select that right here, you want to just simply make your selection right now. As you can see right now, you can actually just select the category right now which you are actually interested in, maybe news or politics, homes or lifestyle, health and wellness right here. But guys, you need to be actually skilled in a specific profession right now to actually do this right now and to be relevant for this particular application right now and go on to making some cool cash. Maybe I'm just going to select the business and finance right now and click on select right there. And that has actually been added right now. I can actually go on to saving this right here, but you could select the subcategory right now. I can just simply select the making money right now and go on to clicking on select. That has actually been added right here. As you can see, we could actually then go on to changing the widget color right now. I'm going to just simply change the color right there. For the topic, guys, make sure you do put in a very cool and amazing topic for that particular section. If I just simply put something like make money online, so as not to make much of our time right now, I'm just going to put in something like that. You want to just simply put in a very cool description right now, and all these particular details actually matters a lot. So I just simply had to type in something right here at the description. You can just simply type in something quite cool right now. For this particular add media to this widget, you can add media to the widgets right here, and you can just simply remove all media if you choose to right now. You want to select the amount which you're actually going to get paid right here, which is the price per minute, or you could go on to setting a flat rate right now. And you can see right here, guys, that the chat length right here should be actually a particular minute right here, maybe 30 minutes right now. We'll actually go on to the advanced settings to do a lot more other stuff right now. So what you want to do right here is to click on save widget once you're done right here. But I simply have to put in a price right now, which I just want to utilize right now to go on to paying per minute right now, or to go on to requesting per minute for a conversation with my audience right here on this platform. You can actually do see right here for the earning potentials, guys. If you're actually charging $1 per minute for 25 minutes, you're going to get paid or get a profit of $15 right now. So if I actually do go on to increasing this right here to about $2 per minute right now, and I click on calculate, you can see the price I'm actually going to be earning right here. So if I increase this to $6 per minute and click on calculate, you can see the price I'll actually be earning right here on this platform. So these are all quite cool right now, and you'll be able to go on to seeing the chats per day right now. Maybe if you do actually go on to making 5 chats per day, for the profit which you're going to be making per day right now is going to be about $450 right now. This is the profit you're going to be earning per week, this is the profit per month, and this is the profit per year right now. So you can actually do go on to using this to calculating how much you're actually going to go on to charging individuals right now for actually getting to talk to you for a minute. So supposing I want to just simply stick on with $1.50 right now, I'm just going to go on to inserting that right now. And once that has actually been inserted right there, I'm going to click on save widget. And if I do save widget right now, that has actually been saved right now. And you can actually do see more details right here that activation is required. Please add this now so you can start using your premium chat account. So right here, guys, you can actually do go on to uploading an avatar if you do have one right here. You want to click on that right now, and you could just simply go through your system and upload an avatar for that particular section. You just want to take out your time and edit all this section based on your preference right now, and you can just simply go on to copying your widget code right here and utilize this right now to go on to making some cool cash right here. Once you're done, just simply go on to clicking on sign up right here. So now basically what I'm actually required to do right now is to just simply add this right here to my social website right now, such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and other websites right there that I can actually start utilizing to get some cool engagement to the link, and I may actually start getting some cool calls right now, or to go on to chatting with some individuals, and I'm going to be making money with this right now. So just simply utilize this right here. As you can see, these are actually your earning potentials you can actually make for each amount you're actually going to charging right here per minute on this platform. So utilize this right now to make money online. If the video did add any form of value to you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. If you also want to get more questions right now, you can leave that in the comment section down below right now, and I should go on to giving you a reply as soon as possible. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.